Hello guys, so today we are going to learn how to create an account on Betailer. So the first thing I need to do is to visit www.betailer.com www.betailer.com. So after visiting the website, I need to click on the start free and then get to the registration page. So the first thing I need to do is to set in my organization name, which can be the name of my store or the name of my business. So I'll just fill in the organization name, and then after that, I'll also fill in my email address. So it can be a work email or your personal email. You need to fill in a valid email address since after the registration, you need to verify the email. After that, I will fill in my preferred subdomain. Okay, so the subdomain is the domain in which a customer is going to use to visit my e-commerce storefront or my e-commerce website. You get it? All right. So I need to choose a subdomain. So I'll choose it, and then after choosing it, the system will verify if it's available. So if it's available, I can continue on with the process. All right, so I'll just type in my password and then confirm it. Then I'll click on the next. All right, so I'll then choose my retail type. So the retail type is the kind of retail business you are into. You get it? So if it's boutique, pharmacy, supermarket, wherever, you need to do it. And the second one is you need to choose the phone number. You get it. So if you're Nigerian, you click on it and then choose the Nigerian flag. And then if you are Ghanaian, you click on it and choose Ghanaian flag. And automatically your currency will be set for you according to um, your number. So if you added the Ghanaian number, automatically you are going to get a currency of Ghana cedis. All right. So here too, I need to review my information. So I need to review my information. It's important to review my information because the subdomain is being set once. It's being set once. I cannot change it. So I need to verify if I'm using the correct subdomain. Okay. So after I'm done with my review and everything is correct, I will continue with the process. But when maybe I did a mistake somewhere and I want to go back, I will just click on the previous and then it will take me back to the previous sessions for me to do a refill. All right, so after everything is fine, I'll just click on the subscription type and then select a subscription, or else I will go with the free trial. And then I'll click on the sign up. So I'll wait for the system to sign me up. So now when the account creation is being successful, the system will send me back to the sign in page where I need to enter my credentials. All right. So I'll also wait, and then I need to also verify my email address. So what I'll do is to check in my email, whether it's Gmail, Yahoo, or whatever. I'll just check in my Gmail and then locate the email from Betailer. So it's no reply email from Betailer. I'll just click on the link and then automatically the system will detect and send me to my dashboard. So I'm looking for the mail to click. Okay, so as you can see, the system has automatically sent me to the dashboard. Thank you very much.